Did you know that hiccups are actually caused by involuntary contractions of the diaphragm? Some people hiccup more than others due to factors like genetics, age, and even lifestyle choices. For instance, if you eat too quickly or drink carbonated beverages, you're more likely to trigger those pesky spasms. Stress and excitement can also play a role. Ever noticed how you might hiccup after a good laugh? Interestingly, some studies suggest that people with a family history of hiccups might be more prone to them. So, next time you find yourself hiccuping, remember, it's not just you. It's a quirky mix of biology and behavior.